Hi, my name is Yuan, and today I'm going to show you how to do conceptual question 15.3. Figure 1 shows a position versus time graph for a particle in simple harmonic motion. A, what is the amplitude A? So looking at the graph here, we can immediately see that the largest x value is 10 centimeters. So we can go ahead and say A is 10 centimeters. B, what is the angular frequency omega? So we know that omega is 2 pi over t, and t is our period. So this is my initial position right here. If I trace that horizontally, and then it will meet the curve at this point. And this is our one cycle, which is 2 seconds. So our t is 2 seconds, and I'm gonna plug that into our equation. So that will be 2 pi over 2, which will give us an answer of pi. So our omega is pi radians per second. And C, what is the phase constant phi naught? And we know that our equation is x of t equals to a times cosine of omega t plus phi naught. And we already know that a is 10 centimeters and omega is pi radians per second. So I'm just going to replace those values here. So we got our equation is x of t equals to 10 cosine of pi times t plus phi naught. And to solve for phi naught, I'm going to use our initial position, which is here. So we can see that this value x right here is roughly 5. So I'm just going to give us 5. So x of 0 will be 5. So we have our numbers. So just plug that in. So x of 0 is 5. So 10 is here times cosine of phi naught, because pi times 0 is just 0. So cosine of phi naught is 5 over 10, which is 1 over 2, and that will give us two answers, which is phi equals to pi over 3 or phi equals to 5 pi over 3. And looking at our unit circle, we can see that this is 1/2 cosine right here. So these 2 points, so one of these 2 points will be our answer. And to find out which one is the correct one, we compare this one to our graph. We can see that this one is moving in the negative direction because the graph is going down to the negative zone right here. And this one is moving to the left, which is the negative direction, and this one is moving to the right, which is the positive direction. So this point right here will be our answer, which is pi over 3. So our phase constant will be pi over 3, which is 60 degrees.